Hey guys, this is Drew McNeil from Precision Automotive. I'm a student at North Lamar High School, and recently I got the privilege of competing in the District 5 automotive competition in Waco, Texas for Skills USA. I got to compete in diesel equipment technology, power equipment technology, automotive quiz bowl, and advanced automotive service. This right here is the turbo that I got to build for advanced automotive service. So in those 4 competitions, we had diesel, which, mainly focuses on modern day diesel vehicles and 18-wheelers and things such as that. And power equipment, I got to do things with lawnmowers and other small appliances and things around the house that you use for yard work and anything that involves a 2-stroke. And automotive quiz bowl is actually a very fun thing. It's exactly like Family Feud that you watch on TV. And we actually did that as a team and placed first. So qualified for state and a lot of things, but I was extremely happy to win everything that I competed in. And story on this turbo here, I was approached by a guy from the bus barn at North Lamar, and he said that he had a turbo that had been sitting outside that really needed to be gone through because he put it on a bus that it came off of and didn't work at all. So I was ahead on the task and ready to go, so extremely excited to have the ability to work on this and help somebody out while I was being able to compete. Taking off the compressor housing, I found a dirt daubers mount in there, which is why I wouldn't let any air out, and I also found a lot of dirt and rust inside of the vanes. So got to sandblast and clean everything inside of there and went through, painted it, and I have a unit now that's working in great condition, and I'll be extremely excited to return that back to them after I go to the state competition, which will be March 30th through April 2nd. So once again, a big thank you to everybody that has helped support me and donate things, and especially to Precision Automotive for teaching me everything I know.